The Excel format is often used in business and other fields. Now with Python, you can load and save Excel files and edit them as well. So you can use different kind of programs to load and save Excel files. You can use Excel itself, you can use Google Sheets, you can use OnlyOffice and many other types of programs. The key idea of this course is to use Python to work with Excel files. So it doesn't really matter which program you use in conjunction. So for example, let's create an Excel file with some different sheets. Let me rename the first sheet. So we create some different sheets here. And then we'll save the sheet. So we have 3 sheets here: cookies, fruits, and movies. We'll save the sheet. And you can name it anything you want. I'll name it sample. Now there are many different file formats it supports. XLSX is a typical Excel file. Save it. So now it's saved. Open your programming environment and we'll create a new file. I'll name it program.py. And in our program.py file, we'll use a new module called OpenPyXL. So that's a module that's used to work with Excel files. You can install that using pip. And we'll use this module to open our Excel file, the one we just created, sample.xlsx. Call a function called load workbook with our file name. So load workbook will load our Excel file. And then let's just output the sheet names. So there's a function called get sheet names, which will output the sheet names we created. So if we run the program, you'll see it outputs the sheet names that we have in the Excel file, so cookies, fruits, and movies, which are the same ones we have here. So if we were to add another sheet name, call it Hello World, and save it, you'll see that we can, within Python, let me clear the screen, run it, and you'll see that within Python, we're able to get the sheet names by using the function called sheet names. Now, you can also use sheet names itself. So if you use the variable sheet names, you'll get the same sheet names, which might be better because the function is deprecated. So you can call .sheetnames directly, which shows the sheet names of your Excel file. So make sure that the OpenPyXL module is installed, and then you can load it with load workbook. Now your Excel file must be in the same directory as your program. So you'll see the program here and the Excel file. If it's not, you need to specify the path to your file, so wherever it's located on your disk. However, it's more easy to just put the Excel file in the same directory as your program, so that the Python program immediately knows where the file is located.